In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front grille on your Toyota 4Runner. Let's get started. Now the grille should just pull away, it's just held on with some clips, but mine is mostly broken, and because of that it doesn't have these clips that I still have on this one pin here that you're supposed to press down on to unlock it. So when it's locked in, it should look something like this all over, and for me it just slides right out. But if yours doesn't, press down on the end of this clip here and it should pop out. Do that all across, and once you have all of them popped off, the grille comes off. But we need to transfer over the emblem, which is held on with 3 little tiny Phillips head screws on the back side. So with a Phillips head screwdriver, get all 3 screws out of here. If yours are in poor condition, replace them. Flip it over, remove the emblem. On your new grille, put the emblem on here. Get the screws back in. And make sure they're snug, but don't over tighten them. You don't want to break the emblem or strip out the mounting holes. Now let's install it on the vehicle. Ideally, you'd have clips all over. Mine are missing, but if you had them, they should click in. Line it up top and bottom. Again, you should hear clicking noises, and once it's secured, there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.